happy birthday, Cecil Loves Maylin, ang nag-iisang Queen M ng TRL. More healthy years ahead, and I wish you all the best. Stay lovable, and I hope na lagi kang masaya sa love life mo with your family, and happy birthday. Mag-ingat palagi, and God bless you always. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Maylin. Ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Maylin. More birthdays to come. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Love you. Love ka ni nanay. Saka love ka ng core team. Love ka ng TRL. Love ka ng 606. Enjoy your beautiful days in your life. Again, happy birthday to you, Maylin.
Okay, Queen M! Celebrate na natin yung birthday mo. Ano pa ba inaantay natin? Ipaglaban na natin! Okay, binabati ko ang ating napakasipag na admin ng Royalistang Palaban. Of course, Queen M, walang iba. Ang number 1 na Marites in town. And of course, ang ating team lead ng Team Velvet. Okay, diba? Yan. Nanalo tayo. That means talagang swerte ang may birthday. Okay? Anyways, enjoy and have fun. Kung may vacation kayo, enjoy with your family. At syempre, ang pamilya natin na TRL at Royalistang Palaban is always here, 606, to support you. And proud na and blessed, of course, na nandito ka. You always manage to do some task na talagang makakatulong sa ating mga organisasyon. Organisasyon. Sindikato. Joke lang. Okay, ito, syempre, ang yung Boss Ace, nagpapasalamat din sa iyo dahil, of course, you are great help sa ating grupo, and keep it up. Of course, nandito lang kami together with Mami Gresita. Of course, yun lang. Happy birthday. Happiest birthday to you, and God bless you and your family. Thank you. Bye-bye.
The one who knows all my secret and loves me anyway. Happy birthday, Besha Maylin. Thank you for the endless laughs, the late night talks, and just being the incredible person you are. I'm so blessed to have you in my life. Have the best day. And know that no matter how busy life gets, know that I'm always here for you. Wishing you all the love, happiness, and success with this road. Happy birthday, Besha Maylin. Enjoy your vacation and I love you.
Hi there, Beshi, our Queen Miss Marites. Happy birthday to you, my dear. I wish you all the best and have a blast. And I just wish you well na sana dumami ka pa na napakabait namin admin, senior admin ng core na hindi lang marites, napakasipag. And we love you for that. Thank you so much. You've done a lot of work aside from topak na sobrang pagod din. I love you so much, Beshi. Happy birthday. See you pag-uwi ulit. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Hello! Finally! Naka-play din ako ng video greetings. Ayan! Ngayon lang ako nagka-chance. At bago ang lahat, humingi ng paumanhin dahil ito na po ang pinakatahimik na pwesto dito sa aking area. Ayan. And then, today, ang ating Queen M birthday! Today ba o kahapon? Pero basta, yun na yun. So, hindi ko naman din alam anong masasabi ko sa kanya. Marami na nagsabi niyan, she's so kind daw. She's... But, for me, siya yung always drive us crazy sa mga ideas niya or minsan susulpot na lang yan na merong bagong balita. But aminin, our life would be so boring without her around or her presence, di ba? And for me, this lady knows how to push my buttons better than anyone else. Yun. Thank you, sis, for always having my back. And you'll always be one of my favorite people. Happy birthday! I love you! Napakinggan mo na ba yung natin? Yung collab. Kagagawa ko lang yun kanina. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Oh, diba? I love you to the fullest. Kayong lahat ng TRL. Love ko kayo. Yan. Wangbu. Ayan. Ang aba na. Ayun. Basta. Alam mo na yan. Yan. Paragi tayong sync. Hindi pa ako nagme-message o hindi ka pa nagme-message. Alam ko. Yung iniisip mo at iniisip ko ay isa. Kaya pag nag-beep ang message from na nakikita ko nag-slide na yung name niya, alam ko to. Dahil pareho kami nasa isang place, iisa lang yung usapan. Tama na to. Love. So, enjoy the night, everyone. And, yun na nga. Happy birthday!